Hi, and welcome to the first episode of Science Den. So today I'm your host and my name is Claire. I'm the communications officer at the museum. And here with me is our entomologist and Pokémon enthusiast, Mr. Fu Mao Shen.
Hi!
So let's get into the content for today. Mao, what were you doing just now?
Oh, so I was actually going around catching insects that's found in our area.
Oh, cool. Why were you catching insects?
Well, the idea here is that I want to get as many kind of insect species as possible, right, to know what is our biodiversity that's around us.
Hey Mao, why study cockroaches?
I actually first started studying termites, right, and because of the taxonomy changes, then I have to study cockroaches too.
Ah, okay. So you mentioned taxonomy changes. What is taxonomy?
Oh, so taxonomy is actually the classification or the grouping of, say, different living organisms, right, and see how these different groups are related to one another. Also, in the study of taxonomy, taxonomists or biologists like me often go out into the field to observe and collect organisms in their habitats. And sometimes in this process, we also discover new species previously unknown to science.
Recently you had this discovery that went viral. Just share with us more about it.
Oh, so that discovery was actually because we got a new species called Nauticula pheromosa. So let me show it to you, right? Oh, this is my rotor. So this is Nauticula pheromosa.
Oh wow, that's a cockroach?
Huh? Yes, that was actually a
Oh,
cockroach.
it doesn't really look like the typical cockroach that you see in Singapore. Yeah.
Yeah, so we actually discovered it and then we named it after Pheromosa, the Pokémon. You know, for the cockroaches, it actually has like elongated appendages like the legs, right? And then its body has the delicate structure, and it also moves very fast as like the Pokemon Pheromosa. So, in fact, you know, the Pokemon Pheromosa is actually largely inspired by the freshly molted American cockroach. Hence, that is why it's white in color.
So Mao, how did you discover Nauticula pheromosa?
Well, it's actually part of an insect survey that we did around here, right? And we found this unusual cockroach. So we will try to identify it with the help of Mr. Christian from Philippines by doing some molecular work, like looking at the genitalia, and then we discovered this is a new species to science.
Oh, cool. Just curious, is Christian a Pokemon enthusiast as well?
Yes, he is also.
Ah. So when you decided to name it after Pheromosa, right, was there a committee that you had to go to submit this name?
Well, there's no committee that we actually go through, right? But we're looking at, say, some of the rules, and then we actually name it after the Pokemon Pheromosa. I see Pokemon and insect catching, right, to be very similar, right? Going around catching all the different kind of insects in the world, right, to get, say, our Pokédex of the insect species.
Oh, cool. And how is this relating to our museum's collection?
So in the museum, we collect different kind of specimens, right? To get all the different kind of organisms, right, from mammals, birds, and insects, right? So the museum, you can see it as literally a large Pokédex in Singapore.
Thanks, Mao, for sharing with us about what you do in the museum. So I'm just very curious. Do you like working here?
Well, what do you think? I'm off to catch more insects. So how you go about sweeping, right? It's like this.
Oh, like
Yeah. But then you have to twist.
but you have to twist it.
Yeah, twist it. Yeah, so the insect don't come out at all.
This feels like Kung Fu, you know, like... Okay, never mind.